unfortunately applied. But today we are going to be talking about a travel guide, a parent vacation travel guide when it comes to leaving your disabled child or disabled adult at home alone while you may know, damn it, what my iPad? Oh well, I'll figure it out later. But when it comes to leaving your child at home while you have a romantic or important getaway that you can't bring them with you on. So if you want to hear about that topic, stick around, and if you have any questions that we don't cover in this video, please feel free to comment them down below, and we will do our best to answer them.
No, we're just getting ready to go out of town. We're going to help Anna's brother move. So Anna's dad and I are going to head out of town just for a few days. But we just thought about some of the things that we have to think about with leaving Anna here with a caregiver, right?
Yep.
So that's what you wanted to talk about.
And we hope that this video will help some other parents who are choosing the right caregiver. Now that might seem like an easy task for the able-bodied community, but when you have a physical disability like mine, or a total one, I feel like it is really important that you have somebody who is physically capable of helping them.
Right. I mean, it's important no matter if you have a disability or not when you leave someone to have a qualified caregiver, right?
Right.
With your biggest concern is really for me is your safety. Right? Because physically you need help in a lot of ways. Anna uses her walker and everything, but she needs help with a lot of daily activities, right? And so it has to be someone that we know that knows how to help you walk when you're not in your walker, so that you don't, because the worst thing for you is a fall. If
I fell and broke something, I'd be out of commission for God knows how long.
Even though you're pretty good at when you fall.
I am really good.
Yeah, kind of turn.
When I fall.
Yeah.
But I feel like it's really important that person is like hard enough to do it, confident enough to do it.
Right.
Because if they're sad, you're gonna be sad. Like, I get sad when a person is sad.
Yeah, like you said, it has to be someone who physically can, help you, like in the car. Sometimes I have to turn you sideways and get you up on the... So, that kind of thing, lifting you up a little bit.
And along the line that we were thinking if a non-family member, we are lucky enough to have family members that can be here, but also my parents who are in college happen to be home right now, and they hang out with me all the time. But and they'll be here too. But if a caregiver that maybe, I don't know, you bought them or care.com, or some other website, it might be worth it looking at their projector that I think are underneath.
Yeah, they have it listed.
The description or whatever, and then if you pick them, Mom would say maybe do a trial run.
Well, yeah, they should come over a couple days before you go out of town, and you guys can go over exactly your schedule and what kind of things you might need help with, and to show them how to transfer you from your desk to the walker and around or to the bathroom.
Yeah, whatever your
trial run.
Whatever your child may need, we want to or a mental disability, recommend doing a trial run. The next tip that we had for you by is having safety precaution information. Like having an emergency evacuation plan, your doctor number, your medications, your daily schedule. That is also for many, many people with mental disability, and for some physical disability, a schedule is very valuable to them.
A schedule?
Yep.
Yeah.
So,
And that goes along with people without disabilities
right.
too. You always want to leave a list of doctors.
Right.
And, yeah.
and my dad was saying I have
Oh,
to,
your insurance card too.
oh yeah,
Let's see if I remember
and
that.
my medical card and all that. My dad was saying, put all that information on paper on my calendar, in a photo, and then also emailing it to my parents and not to my parents, but
To-
the heck.
No, to the what you're saying, so that everyone. Oh yeah, so that the caregiver has the information, and then you have the caregiver's information, right?
Right. And
Everybody-
also so that family members have it when they're out in public as well.
Yeah.
So they don't have to worry about, oh shit, something happened while I was
And
out.
maybe your neighbors' numbers
Yep.
next door would be a good thing.
Yep.
Because your neighbors.
Any
yeah, just-
any information that you can personally request when it comes to your child, leave it there. And also provide some type of electronic copy for any public access if God forbid something happened while you were out.
Yeah. Out. Who out? You?
Yeah,
Oh.
if we were out together and something
Happened to you?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay.
You want to make sure that family is not like, oh, I left that information at home.
Right. Does your Apple phone would that hold your
App-
information?
Hey, you know. Hey,
I
you.
just
How
thought of
did
that.
I not think of
Because you
that?
could take that off of your wrist.
Yeah.
And have the information about
Or-
your medicines or anything.
Yeah. Or Apple product have something called the Health app, where you can put in all your information, including emergency contact and preferred hospital. And so
Oh, right. Closest hospital.
yeah,
That's
my
good, yeah.
EMS is also trained hospital app. Hospital app. Also, I know there's something called a medical ID bracelet for people with autism. So that's another option that you can put all their information to emergency responder, first responder, or train to look at that.
Right.
But thank you. I
I forgot about that. Well, I looked at your wrist.
Yeah,
And I saw you didn't ever watch it.
I'm sorry I totally forgot about that. But that is hacking in with the parents. So here you can test them pictures or write them in a report. Some parents provide a animated data book that they might want to keep updated.
Right. So the parents, you know, will know how that day went, right?
Right.
Just a little
Couple
sentences or something she can text. Yeah.
Right. Backup plan. This is important.
Backup plans.
So maybe have multiple
You mean like if the caregiver gets sick, you have here or something? Oh, that's a good idea. Okay.
Maybe have multiple people.
Right. Well, so on that list, maybe we can have another family member that's in town could be listed on there, or a friend or something, and that would be a person that caregiver could call.
Right.
Yeah. So that would.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Handling the trip around everybody. I think this is really important that we put everyone on the same page. Making sure everyone that you hire is actually going to be here.
Well, yeah, that's
Sometimes that's not
Oh, right. Okay, yeah, you do that ahead of time, right?
It has to be important now. If you know that you're going on a trip, don't plan it last minute.
And also now with the virus and everything going around, maybe sometimes you might want to have some of these caregivers get tested before they come over.
Yeah.
I just thought of that. Or even, with all the unknowns right now.
Math. Whatever.
Right, we all have to be flexible.
Yep. And then the math that we have for you is making a myth. If this happens, then you do that.
Oh, okay.
If my fire is not a pet, this is how you calm them down.
Well, or like if a piece of one of your equipment breaks or it's not rolling or something's not working, then we might have an answer like maybe there's something caught in the wheels or you can have that.
So you can take that to wherever. But
I mean, your biggest thing is just safety for us. That's why you're different.
Right.
Your difference between you with a disability and someone with not is that you're physically, you need the help, and that the fall is what scares me the most. That's why it's the most important to get a qualified person.
Everybody in the disability community is different. So why don't we help each other out by commenting if you're a parent or caregiver, what are your benefits for a vacation? Leave them in the comments. I would actually love to read that, and we'd be helping each other out. Maybe there's something we left out that you have been doing for a year. And it's really, really helpful.
Right.
So leave that down in the comments below. If you're new here, don't forget to watch the next video that will be popping up right on the screen here. I have other travel related video, and I